Hey guys, ponehz casual. Name my is. Skywars. I'm back from U9 camp. Yeah. It was fun. Not really. We slept under a boulder. It was pretty good. I loved it. We're playing Skywars. Yeah. Just. Please download. Please download. Please download. Really laggy, actually. Please download. Please download. Give me that stuff. I don't know why I found that so funny. Jesus Christ. Holy.
Hello mutants, it is I, Steve Manhunking. I'm here to tell you that Bobby Gaming has been revealed in a small tape. Here it is, inferior human beings.
Hey, alright, this is my impression of a nice guy. Like a really, really, really nice guy. You have to use your imagination. Hey dude, you dropped this. Yo man, you dropped this. Hey. Dude. Hello? Hello? Hey! Bro, you dropped this! Where are you go? Where are you get out of your car, man! Yeah, get out of your car! Bro, get out of your... Hey! Pull over! You dropped...
Now that you have seen Bobby Gaming in his natural form, it is time for me to tell you that I am not like you mere mortals. I am a highly intelligent extraterrestrial sent here to conquer and rule, but your atmosphere rendered me immobilized. I cannot move, but my brothers are coming to rule at this very moment with an army the size of your primitive ocean. It is time for me to leave and return to my home planet. Farewell, you mutants, you will all be destroyed.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm a mess. So yeah. Just gonna, I don't even know what this is. Just, basically, we came back from a camp for school. In the mountains. It was really cold. And, like, I feel, like, alright now, because, like, after all the hiking and stuff, we did, like, bike riding for 2 days, which wasn't, like, terrible. And then, yeah, we basically, one night, we, got snowed on. We slept under a boulder, and it was, like, really, really cold. So, yeah, that's just, what's been going on in my life. That's why, I haven't really been around recently, to put out videos or anything. I'm gonna die here. So, if you're asking, like, how was it, and, if it was fun or anything, all I have to say is 10 out of 10 would almost die again. Okay, yeah, this is actually probably going to be a serious game now. Because I actually want to get an episode out for you guys, because I haven't really done any recording or anything. I actually haven't been on computer whatsoever in the past 5 days, so, might as well try and get at least a half-assed Skywars episode out for you guys. maple syrup in one of my keys, and it's like really,
Show you a
really hard to
picture
press
of it.
down now. Wait, give me bread. Because, you know, you guys are awesome and stuff. So, let's just snipe that down. Hopefully I can get, like, alright spot. Like, I'll be alright if I come, like, third. I'll upload this. So yeah, I'm not really good with commentary at all right now because of, you know, just the lack of, record in general. Like, the lack of, like, how long, I mean, not how long, just how much I've been recording at all, which is 0 in the past almost week. So, yeah, not sure what to talk about. I guess I can just chill with you guys. How was your guys' day? You can just tell me down in the comment section. How was your day? If you slept under a boulder as well. If you've ever had to sleep under a boulder in your life, tell me, because my experience with sleeping under boulders was not ideal. I didn't particularly enjoy it. Let's just get wrecked by this guy. Serious game. Oh god, I suck. Oh god, I want to get a pizza.
I did not hit her.